Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantor Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 8 English textbook and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantor Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from unit 6, the most beautiful flower. SLOs of this lesson are apply rules of and the wherever applicable in speech and writing. Dear students, I hope you are familiar with the indefinite articles. And N. We have discussed it with examples and in detail in our previous classes too. So we are going to discuss the articles, the indefinite articles. N is used before singular countable nouns beginning with a vowel like A, E, I, O, U or vowel sound. Similarly, A is used before singular count nouns beginning with consonant other than A, E, I, O, U. For example, an apple, an elephant, an issue, an orange. A stamp, a desk, a TV, a cup, a book. जो indefinite articles है वो हम कब यूज करते हैं? When we indicate to a singular person or item. But there are some rules to use them. A and N both. A consonant sound से पहले start होता है. Consonant और vowel sound का concept भी हम previous lesson में समझ चुके हैं. Consonant sound आपके जो other than vowel होता है like G, R, L, M, H, etc. और vowel sounds आपकी ये हैं. Whenever we indicate to one singular item and person, we use our and. Whenever we indicate to singular item or person, we indicate to it by using our and. जब countable हो noun, like हम उसको count करते हो और singular हो मतलब एक हो तो हम our and का use करते हैं. And आपने vowel sound से पहले लगाना है जैसे कि यहाँ पर है apple is starting with the vowel sound here और elephant is also, issue is also and orange. और आपने consonant sound से पहले लगाना है जैसे कि S, desk, TV, cup, book. These are all starting with the consonant sound. But for one item and person here. And N is used before singular noun that are unspecified like a pencil and orange. Before number collectives and some numbers, a dozen and gallon. Collective noun जो हो गया आपका जैसे a pack of wolf, a brood of chicken, a pride of cubs, a lion. जैसे कि हो गया एक dozen, एक दर्जन आपका एक gallon हो गया. ये क्या आपके collective noun है. Before a singular noun followed by a restrictive modifier. A girl who was wearing a yellow hat. With nouns to form adverbial phrases of quantity and amount or degree. Like I felt a bit depressed. ये आपका adverb of degree हो गया. या quantity या amount. Types of adverb भी हम अपने next lesson में discuss करेंगे. A little, a few. इसमें भी हम indefinite articles का यूज करते हैं या हम किसी भी singular noun को modify करें जैसे कि यहाँ पर हुआ a girl. यहाँ पर क्या किया हुआ है इसको modify किया हुआ है. Let me give you some more example and let me clear the concept more. Indefinite articles. A and N are called indefinite articles because they are used to refer to something in a less specific manner and unspecific count. Use or N to identify nouns that are not definite and not specific. Think of A and N meaning any or one among many. मतलब हम सिर्फ एक ही आइटम की तरफ इसको इंडिकेट कर सकते हैं जब हम और N का यूज करेंगे. For example, a book, a dog, a cat, a house. Use or N only for singular nouns. A car, a sofa, an apple. Do not use an article for a plural indefinite noun. हम प्लूरल में a और an का यूज बिल्कुल नहीं करेंगे. Think of plural indefinite noun as meaning all. Like students should study hard. All students should study hard. Like in this one, all the students are included here. When to use or and when to use an. Choose when to use or and according to the sound of the noun that follows it. For example, use a before consonant sound like a book, a dog. The consonant sounds are B and D here. Use a before a sound H along U and O with the sound of W. Like a hat, a house, a union, a uniform, a one or appointment. Use an before vowel sound like except long U. For example, an asset, an essay, an index, an onion, an umbrella. हमने क्या करना है? Vowel sound से पहले हमने n लगाना है. Use n when h is not sounded. जब आपका क्या हो? h क्या हो? Silent हो. और word जो हो o का sound produce कर रहा हो, तो vowel sound. Like an honor, an or. We can hear the sound of o here. So that's why we have used n here, because the h is silent in both words. So these are some rules you have to remember when you use indefinite articles in anything. Now let's move to the definite articles. The definite article the indicates a noun that is definite or has been previously specified in the context. Please close the door. I like the clothes you gave me. Like the clothes are mentioned here is known to speaker and the listener. Clothes के बारे में दोनों को पता है कि कौन से clothes की बात हो रही है. Mention हो चुके हैं पहले से, specified हो चुके हैं. That's why. अब आप किसी को indicate कर रहे हो कि please close the door. The person might know that which door you are talking about. That's why we have put the here, the door. To indicate a noun that is unique, like praise the Lord, the Columbia River is near here. The specific things. To designate a natural phenomena, like the nights get shorter in the summer. Natural phenomena like the nights, the wind is blowing so hard. And when we refer to a time period, like I was very naive in the past. In the past is a time period. This song was very popular in the 1980s. In the 1980s, the time period here. To indicate all the members of a family, I invited the bakers for dinner. When we indicate to the family members, the specific family, the medicine was invented by the Smiths. Like it's a family name, the Bakers and the Smith. And remember one thing more, when we use the superlative degree of adjective, we add the definite article before it, like the largest, the tallest, prettiest. But those superlative degrees which end with the est or iest. The definite articles here, the use and the examples we have to refer to something which has already been mentioned here. जो पहले से mention हो चुका हो, the thing is known to speaker and the listener. An elephant and a mouse fell in love. The mouse loved the elephant's long trunk and the elephant loved the mouse's tiny nose. When both the speakers and listener know what is being talked about, even if it has not been mentioned before. Now this is the exercise of both definite and indefinite articles. Pronouncing the or the. What is the difference between the and the? Why we pronounce it different? When the definite article the comes before a word begins with a vowel, it is stressed as the, like the. वोवल से पहले जब इसको द को यूज करेंगे तो दी लगाएंगे, दी इसको पढ़ेंगे, दी प्रोनाउंस करना है आपने दी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द एंट, दी की आवाज निकाल दिया. दिस इज द फोनेटिक सिंबल ऑफ दी. दिस इज द फोनेटिक सिंबल ऑफ दी हियर. आपने जब प्रोनाउंस करना है तो को दी, जब आपका वोवल साउंड हो. द ऑरेंज, द आंट, द इश्यू, द एलिफेंट. When the comes before a word that begins with the consonant, it is unstressed as the. Like the. Example is the car, the bed, the ghost. बहुत सिंपल रूल है. आपने फोनेटिक्स देख लिए इसके. वोवल से पहले आपने इसको थी प्रोनाउंस करना है, थी. और कॉन्सोनेंट वर्ड से पहले आपने इसको प्रोनाउंस करना है द. Tha and the. Just only remember this rule. So this is the exercise of definite and indefinite articles. We have discussed both articles in detail with examples, so it will be very easy for you to attempt this exercise. The first one is I want apple from the basket. अब बास्केट में तो बहुत सारे एप्पल हो सकते हैं. उसको क्या चाहिए? I want the apple, not specific apple. The person don't want any specific apple here. He want one apple from the basket because there are many apple in the basket. Or might be any other fruits in the basket, but he need one apple, one singular apple. So apple is starting with the vowel sound here. So what we will choose? Yes, and here is the right answer. The second one is school on the corner is one of the best. That specific school which is on the corner, the person is referring to, which is known to the listener and the speaker both. So what we will do? Yes, choose the here. The. Because the school is starting with the consonant sound, the, we will pronounce the school. The school is the right answer here. The third one in Miss Leila speaks Chinese. We also have no article option too. We can choose it if we see the suitability of it. So here the Chinese is a proper noun and specified here. So what we will choose? Yes, the here. The Chinese. Miss Lala speaks the Chinese. क्योंकि क्या है? Proper noun है, specified है. You can see the C is capitalized in Chinese and she specifically mentioned for speaking the Chinese. The fourth one is I borrowed pencil from your pile of pencils and pens. अब पाइल ऑफ पेंसिल्स और पेन्स है, बहुत सारे पेंसिल्स और पेन्स हैं. तो आई बोरोड, उसने ली है एक पेंसिल ली है पाइल्स ऑफ पेंसिल्स एंड पेन में से. सो पेन इज स्टार्टिंग विद द कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड. सो व्हाट वी विल चूज? यस, इट्स वेरी इजी. अ पेंसिल. आई बोरोड अ पेंसिल फ्रॉम योर पाइल ऑफ पेंसिल्स एंड पेन्स. एंड द फिफ्थ वन इज वन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स सेड प्रोफेसर इज लेट टुडे. The professor is known to the students. So what we will say, how we will complete this sentence? One of the students said, the professor is late today. The professor, because the professor is already known to the students. They know what professor they are talking about. They know about the professor. They know who is the professor. And he's known to them. So the option is the here is the right one. बाकी के सेंटेंस आपके होम टास्क हैं. The concept of definite and indefinite articles, I hope, is clear to you. This is your homework from textbook. What you need to do, you have to read this poem here and identify the definite and indefinite articles. You just simply have to underline it, like this one. And here again. आपने इसी तरह definite और indefinite articles को identify करना है. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.